Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the Whirlpool Dryer F70 error code, you're in the right place. This pesky error can stop your dryer in its tracks, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. We'll cover what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it, so you can get your laundry routine back on track in no time. First off, let's talk about what the F70 error code actually means. In Whirlpool dryers, the F70 code typically signals a communication breakdown between the dryer's main control board and the user interface board. Essentially, these two parts aren't talking to each other properly, which can halt the machine's operation. This is common in models from 2025 and earlier, so if your dryer's displaying this, it's likely a software or hardware glitch. Now, what causes this error? There are a few usual suspects. It could be due to loose wiring connections, a faulty control board, or even issues with the door switch not registering correctly. Sometimes, power surges or electrical interference can trigger it, especially if your dryer is older or has been exposed to wear and tear. Identifying the root cause is key to fixing it quickly. Alright, let's dive into the solutions. Start with the basics. Unplug your dryer from the wall for at least 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might solve the problem right away. Once it's plugged back in, run a test cycle to see if the error persists. If that doesn't work, you'll need to get a bit hands-on. Open up the control panel, refer to your user manual for safety instructions, and check for any loose wires or connections. Make sure everything is securely plugged in. Next, inspect the door switch. If it's worn out, you might need to replace it. For more advanced fixes, like resetting the control board, you can use the dryer's diagnostic mode. Press and hold the relevant buttons as outlined in your model's guide. Usually, it's a combination like start and pause for a few seconds. If none of these steps work, it might be time to call in a professional technician. They can diagnose deeper issues, like a defective board that needs replacement. Remember, always prioritize safety. Never work on an electrical appliance while it's plugged in, and if you're unsure, seek expert help to avoid any risks. There you have it. Fixing the Whirlpool Dryer F70 error doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these steps, you'll be drying clothes again in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.